Hi guys, I just came back from flying the drone. And now we're gonna test the battery on the drone with the capacity controller, see how much is left on the battery. So let's put this on here. Hope you can see this. So we have 24% charge left on the battery, which means I didn't completely empty the battery. And we have on cell 2 we have 7.51 total voltage. On the first cell we have 3.754 volt, and the minimum voltage between the two cells is 0.01. The maximum voltage between the two cells is 3.754 volts, and the maximum of the two cells together is, or the minimum I should say, 3.753 volts. And as you can see, the charge of the battery is 23%, which means I didn't totally empty the battery from flying. So yeah, that was just a short demonstration on how it works and how to see how your battery is doing after the flight. So I hope you like this short video, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.